Good morning, guys. A couple more cams for the Radio Shack car. Just trying some different shapes. Well, that one should just be permanent right-hand turn. And that one should be a left and a right. Two new cams. The one that I've put on there is just to make it go right, continuously right. And then the other one I haven't actually tried yet. That should be left then right, with a relatively smooth transition between the two, with a bit of straight in the middle, as compared to that one, which had very little straight. Is that right? I can't remember now. I'm getting confused. I've got about 10 of these now, different ones. Yeah. I don't know if you can see the difference. That one's got a bit of a steeper climb and then a longer bit. So that's the right. That's what the difference is. It wasn't much right on that. On that one. Getting confused. So that should be a longer bit of right. Then it drops to straight. And then when it drops right the way in, that's left. So that'll be left for that bit. And then it should go right. And then it drops back to straight. And then it goes to left. I could probably reduce the amount of straight. Well, we'll find out. I don't even know if it'll fit, because this one only just fits. It's probably a millimetre too big a diameter. I could probably drop it back just a millimetre. That's a very tight fit there. We'll try it. Right. Okay, so right works. We'll now see if my new left-right works. Right, left, right, straight ahead. Left, right, straight ahead. Left, right, straight ahead. Oh, nearly. Hopeless. Need more space. All right, that's enough of that. Yeah, that's going to have to be one on the skate park or car park to have enough space to actually see what it's doing. But it's certainly doing left-right. Just need to adjust the timing of the left and the right. We probably don't need, or we could have a curve. Instead of having that sharp edge, we could have a curve so it goes left slowly, the same way that it goes right slowly. It's quite interesting trying to get your head round how this actually will turn out when you sort of design it and try and figure out what's going to happen. But yeah, I think I could have a curve rather than that sudden drop, so it doesn't make that. Yeah, that's sharp. Nice turn to the right. Centre's okay, and then that sudden drop to the left. If you can even hear me over all that. Yeah, I might curve that a bit. Might. On the other hand, we might just give it a try in the car park on a dry day and see what happens. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.